Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Webflow CMS templates for Content First UX, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Webflow website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section from the main dashboard. In the Templates area, you will find a variety of options for both free and premium templates. Use the search bar to filter your results based on your specific needs. Look for CMS templates that prioritize content-first user experiences. Take your time to explore the design and structure of each template. Once you find a suitable template, click on it to view more details. Review the template features, including responsiveness and customization options. If you're satisfied with your choice, click the Get Template button. For free templates, it should directly add it to your project. For premium options, you may need to complete the purchase process. After acquiring the template, go to your dashboard. Locate the newly added template in the Project section. Open the template to review its layout and content structure. Familiarize yourself with the elements and how they are organized. Now, begin customizing the template to fit your specific content needs. Replace placeholder text with your original content. Adjust images and media to reflect your brand. Consider the user journey as you modify the design. Ensure that the navigation is intuitive and content is easily accessible. Preview your changes regularly to see how they affect the user experience. Make any additional adjustments to optimize for mobile devices. Once you're satisfied with your customizations, publish your project. Share your new Content First website with your audience. Monitor user engagement and make ongoing improvements as necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.